We got a box from the jungle site. Very plain Jane. But it says it's made in Italy, in accordance with all labor and environmental regulations. So I guess they weren't allowed to leap from the buildings like the people in China do. So if you've seen my previous videos that I've been got some undercoating stuff, and this is the final bit that I need, and this is a spray. Ow! A spray gun. Sucks when you get your fingernail caught under something. So this is a specialized gun for spraying undercoating. It looks just like a regular old-fashioned, but this is for undercoating. So that is awesome. Got an adjustable nozzle and this and that, blah blah blah. So that's pretty boring. This is the RA1/T, a metal spray gun designed for the application of undercoating and rust-proofing liquids. This gun is equipped with an adjustable nozzle, allowing the user to control the product flow and to spray different textures. An optional plastic wand can be used for spraying wax-based rust-proofing in cavities, hollow beams, doors, etc. Working pressure 40 to 80. Maximum is 140. Approximate air consumption is 5 to 8 cubic feet per minute. And of course the body in the tank is aluminum, blah blah blah. Noise level less than 80 decibels. You need a 1/4 inch NPT connector, so we'll have to get a connector for the air line. This economy gun offers the flexibility of fully adjustable nozzle. By adjusting the nozzle outwards, the product flow will increase, thereby producing a thicker coat. Please note that the gun will not work if the nozzle is not installed. To install the optional rust-proofing wand, blah blah blah. So there's a couple of different. You can get the wand kit. So in case you want to go in your door jams and your bottom of your doors and the sill plates and whatever else you can fish a wand in and spray it as you're coming back out. Maintenance and cleaning, always user should be at the breather port, small hole in the collar. So there should be a breather hole somewhere on here. Oh, there it is. It's up here. Higher than usual, that I'm used to. Make sure the breather port is open, because, you know, sometimes you can tip this and it might get blocked. Fill the clean, blah, 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 with a cup of water, solvent, blah, blah, blah. So, we're spraying fluid film, so soap and water, blah, 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 blah. And you'll be able to clean the gun out and all the other good stuff. So that's pretty cool. So, like I was mentioning, I use the rattle cans, and you know, you need about 5 or 6 of them to do an average size vehicle and stuff like that, just for the frame, if you're doing a truck or something like that. So that can get kind of pricey. So, you know, as you, of course, you all know, you buy bulk, you save a little bit of money. So buy it in a gallon can now, so in future uses I'll be using the gallon can, and then I can use the gun to spray my under vehicle chassis. So we need to hook up an air line to this thing. So this has a male, so I probably got a female type air fitting around here somewhere. And then in the future, when I need this apparatus again, maybe we'll go out and have a little fun with this thing. So I like to use the fluid film black now, because for many, many years I've used the fluid film tan, and just makes the rust nice and shiny. So with fluid film black, and there's also wool wax black, and there's a couple other players that dyed their stuff black. You spray this stuff down, and it looks like a brand new chassis. It's all shiny and black, temporarily. Or hopefully it lasts long enough to get through the winter season. So that's all I can say for this thing, and we'll leave it at that. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.